will do in Spain with the cow. I want to show you. There is one man, he takes a red too. His name is Torero. He takes a red too, and he cries, "Ole!" as the cow go here under to the other side. I want to show you.
Ja.
So maybe,
Ben je
you
nou
already?
in Spanje met een koe een stierengevecht gaan doen?
She is full of temperament.
Ja, full of temperament.
Full of temperament.
Ja.
Okay, ready? Ole, maybe.
Wat is dat nou?
Maybe. Maybe ole. Maybe ole. Maybe ole.
Ja, dat is vol temperament.
One moment. Yeah, maybe what's the matter?
Wat is er aan de hand?
Oh, she said we need the music. A music chair. What is come here with me. We make a big party now, right? Your party, yes.
So we stop inside here.
Inside here. Thank you. We need a table. We need a table.
Van de tafel eten. Omdat hij er zelf is.
This is the table here. Just be careful, eh? But, hey. So maybe what you do? Oh no, this table there. Maybe. Let this. Get it together. Maybe. Let the table. Oh yes. I think I have got something to eat for
Ja,
you.
natuurlijk. Ze willen van jou het eten hebben.
Yes.
Ja, eten komt er wat aan.
And now, and for me, and here, yes, all right, Minnie, the show is over, the party is over, and the show is over, Minnie, so,
Ja, weet je, de maaltijd is weer afgelopen. Opstaan.
what? What's in that? Minnie, option! Minnie! It's always